This is how I do my magic circle. I take the yarn like this. You take the end and create a loop by putting it over the working strand. Then you grab at the point where the two strands meet and insert your hook into the loop. Pull up the working strand through the loop like that. And then make sure to keep holding where you first picked up the yarn, keep that tight. And then pull the working strand tight on your hook. Do a chain. And then you've got your adjustable loop. So instead of taking the yarn in and putting it over, when I do it, I actually put it underneath the working strand. And then take your index finger as you grab the point where they meet and kind of use it to push the working strand through the loop. So that way when you take your hook, you just grab the loop where your index finger is pushing it out, and then pull and do your chain.